Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Please like the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Today, we're going to take in Alkaline recent performance on stage, and after that, viewers and subscribers, I'll give a take on it and make you know what we think about him performance and how well him do and how the crowd a real free him a fresh drip, is me, in Atlanta. So make you check out him stage performance, viewers and subscribers. You get me, I say? Big up to Alkaline, same way. Big up to the Vendetta fans, same way. You get me? Yeah.
Hey, fresh now.
Me no know viewers and subscribers. You come like say Alkaline coming back for him spot in a dance hall, you know, people. I tell you, it look like say Alkaline coming back for him spot in a dance hall. So any man will think say Alkaline out of dance hall or them rub Alkaline out of dance hall and Alkaline can't come back, you make a sad mistake, because I tell you, Alkaline a perform well in him stage performance. You get me? I say enough artists used to burn him out and say, yo, you know, no stage performance. No, I know stage performance, I think now, you know, people. Alkaline find the craft now, so Alkaline coming out with the craft, you know. Alkaline don't see what I go on the dance hall, and I don't see what I go on, so I say, alright, I put Alkaline on his show, you know, brother. Yeah, man, Alkaline say big up down here too, you know, see him, you know, just like how I don't big him up, you know. Yeah, man. So, you don't know. It's a good show, a good performance. I don't know. You know, while I know enough Alkaline fans, them happy to see the same way, you see me? See them artists perform on stage. I don't know, although I might not have it locked down yet, you know, in the realest way. But in a due time, I get there, right, man, you see me? I don't know my giant same way, you know, big up Alkaline same way, you see me? Leave it in the comment section if you don't like the video, the vibe, Alkaline performance or anything. You get me? Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please like the video.